how to find the Netflix username and password on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on passwords. So when you will tap on passwords, it will ask you for your lock screen pin password or pattern, or to scan your face ID. So tap on password and scan your face ID, and if it's not scanning your face ID, then you can enter the password. And here you will find all your saved passwords, and if you have saved your Netflix password, then that password and username will be shown here. So that's how you can find the Netflix username and password on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.